Chocolate banana bread that's incredibly soft, moist, and packed with chocolate. Have 3 overripe bananas sitting on your counter? Don't throw them away. Turn them into this. Let's make it. First, let's mash 3 very ripe bananas until nice and smooth. Now add half a cup of melted salted butter and mix it in. Next, add the brown sugar and granulated sugar for that perfect sweetness. Now, whisk it all together until it's fully incorporated. Perfect, it's looking smooth and ready. Next, add 1 fresh egg. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla for that delicious flavor. Gently whisk until it's smooth and glossy. Perfect, now it's ready. First, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, add half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Pour it gently over the flour. Perfect. Now it's ready for the next step. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is exactly 4.5 grams. And just a small pinch of salt. Now give everything a gentle whisk to combine. Now gently fold the dry ingredients into the banana mixture. Don't overmix. And now for my favorite part, chocolate chips. Now let's gently fold them through. Perfect, ready for the oven. Pour the batter into a prepared loaf pan and smooth the top. I'm adding a few extra chocolate chips on top because why not? Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. And it's ready. Look at that beautiful chocolate crust. Let it cool, then slice into this soft, chocolatey goodness. Just look at how soft and moist the center is. Honestly, this is so good. If you have ripe bananas at home, you have to try this. Save this recipe, give it a try, and subscribe to Urban Cravings for more delicious recipes.